Hello, it's Isabel here, your Academic Liaison Librarian for Marketing and Events. This is one of a series of short videos looking at each of our market research databases to introduce you to some of the key features of those. These are accompanied by a set of quiz questions on the Moodle. So once you've finished watching the video, have a go at the questions, practice searching the databases, because these are going to be really useful for some of your coming assignments. So Mintel is a market research database that has UK consumer opinion. So they survey consumers in the UK about various different kinds of products, services, brands, and it generates a lot of very useful data that you can then use to support your arguments in your assignments. So this is the Mintel homepage. You can get to it through your course resource help page for marketing and events, which is linked at the top of the slides. Some of the key features of Mintel, as I said, it's UK based, it's looking at consumer opinion. You can break down the survey data by demographics, which is really useful. We'll be looking at how to do that. It's got very recent information because the reports are published on a rolling schedule, usually every year. So each year you'll have a new report on every different market sector that they cover. We've got a couple of pre-recorded screencasts here. They're like silent videos, so I'll play the video and I'll give you some commentary over the top to talk you through what you're seeing. So from the Mintel homepage, you can use their very simple search bar to look for topics, and if you search for a keyword it will probably suggest a related report. These are the results. You can see they're a mixture of reports and insights. So reports are longer pieces and insights are sort of short news pieces. You can use the filters if you just want to see the longer reports, and you can sort the results in different ways. So you can also filter by category, looking at different market sectors. And you can filter by region, by trend drivers, by demographics. When you want to see the details of a report, you can hover over it and you can see the different sections that are included. So this looks at how to find information within a Mintel report. Start, as we did before, by searching for a topic, and you can choose then one of the suggested results. Click on the title and it will take you to a page like this, which is the report summary page. And then there are lots of different ways that you can find information. So I think one of the best ways is the table of contents. If you click on that, it will show you all of the sections of a report, and you can click on each of those to go directly to that section. So if we go back to the report summary, there's also a feature that will allow you to search for specific words within the report. So if you want to see, for example, is Deliveroo mentioned in this report about pizzas, you click to search within this report and it will give you a list of all the sections that that word is mentioned in, and it will highlight the mentions of the word. Next, we've got the interactive data book. So you don't need to log in to see this. You can continue without logging in, and it will take you to a page like this with colourful graphs showing the survey responses to lots of questions that consumers were asked. You can download the results as a table so that you can use it in your assignments as long as you reference it properly. And you can switch between graph and table format. You can also, if you click the demographics button, you can see the survey responses broken down by age, by gender, lots of different factors. And you can use that menu at the top just to navigate between the different questions. And use filters to show what demographic factors you're interested in. Okay, so that's a brief overview of how to find information in Mintel. So you really need to just practice using the databases so that you can get the information that you need as quickly and efficiently as possible. There are some questions here which I've made into an interactive multiple choice quiz on Moodle. So starts off with an easy question, but then there are more advanced questions that involve looking inside the report using the data book to find out the answers. On the final slide, we've got a link to the course resource help page, a link to all the video guides for our market research databases, and if you need any help with anything, you can give us an email at businesslibrarians@brooks.ac.uk, and me or one of my colleagues will pick that up and respond to you.